Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Gems. Today we're going to be working on this customer's 1992 Honda Acty. We are going to be replacing the exhaust, the factory exhaust, with this GIGA N1 Aftermarket. The job is going to be pretty simple. We're just going to need a few hand tools and hopefully add some rumble to this Acty. So for the first tool, we're going to need a 12mm with a socket, preferably 6-point, a 10mm, a 12 combination wrench. I might need that and don't know yet. Some sort of pry bars to get the exhaust mounts out, and then some sort of penetrating oil to help you with the exhaust mounts. To begin, we're going to be removing these two 12mm bolts. You can see right here one of the exhaust hangers is broken on the exhaust, so one of the reasons why this customer is changing on this exhaust. What we're going to do first is lubricate the two bolts. They're super rusted into the exhaust. One thing I should mention is you don't have to take the wheel off, but I do have the wheel off just so we can record easier. So first thing, I'm gonna just slip this hanger off since I can. Next, I'm gonna try to remove these two bolts. Oh, it's actually a nut. Alright, this next one's gonna be tricky. It's like in the back. I might need to get some sort of extension. So to remove this bolt, we have to use this contraption of joints and extensions in this tunnel to get this out. Okay, so to get that bolt out in the back, we have to use a 12mm with a joint and an extension. So because we kept hitting the exhaust, trying to ratchet it out. So this is what we have to use. So next we're going to be removing these two air heater hoses. The two 10s right here and right here. Alright, there's one. Okay, and that's the second one. Next we're going to be removing the two hangers. One's going to be right here, and the other one's going to be right over here. And that's the remaining things holding this exhaust in place. First, let's shoot some spray on it. So I'm just going to remove this air pipe since we're not going to be using it with the new exhaust. Okay. So here you can see a clear difference in the size. This one is pretty heavy. This is pretty light, so big weight reduction. So we just got the exhaust hanger from the other one, a little bushing, and we're just going to slide it onto the new one. Alright, and we're just going to fit it inside the car. Last part, we're just going to tighten up these two 12mm nuts. So that's it for the install of the exhaust. We did, however, need a swivel joint for the 12mm to get to that hard to reach bolt, but other than that, it went pretty smoothly. We're going to start it up now and just show you how it sounds now and see how the exhaust sounds. anyways, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next repair. We did, however, need
3, 2, 1.